Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 ES350. The Lexus ES350 is a sophisticated combination of distinctive styling, luxury, and smooth performance. A 3.5-liter V6 engine propels the ES from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. And the countless standard interior features transport you to a new level of luxury and convenience. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off. Come see the car for yourself.